Hi, my name is Matt Norgard. I'm the Service Director here at Larry H. Miller Volkswagen Avondale, and I just want to congratulate you on your new vehicle purchase. Just wanted to take the next few minutes to show you around our service department. When you first arrive, you're going to want to pull into any one of these two lanes here. Just pull into the overhang. From there, one of my service advisors will be out promptly to help you get your vehicle checked in. When your vehicle is here, we do have a large waiting area with free bottles of water, coffee, donuts, cookies. And if you'd like a ride home, we do offer free Uber services to and from the dealership. We also have a fleet of rental vehicles for $35 a day. In the repair shop, we have state-of-the-art equipment and master-level technicians. Most of our technicians have been here for 10 plus years and all have the knowledge and experience to repair your vehicle right the first time. We even have advanced diagnostic equipment that would help us work on all brands and models, including Toyotas, Hondas, Jeeps, Dodges, whatever you have. Again, congratulations on your vehicle purchase. When your vehicle is ready for its routine maintenance, feel free to give us a call or go online anytime to schedule an appointment.